Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload files to Google Drive. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in Google Drive myself and there are two different ways of doing this, at least on PC. On mobile phones, there is one sadly, but it is what it is. And on both, what you can do is find the plus icon and click on it. And from here, you want to click File Upload. This will open up your file manager on your device and you will be able to locate your files that you want to upload, select them all, click Upload, and then that will be pretty much it. Now, as I've mentioned, there is a second way that you can do this on PC, and this is just purely by the fact that you can boot up multiple windows at once and that you can drag and drop things. So you just want to open up the file that you want, select the items that you want, and just click them and drag them and drop them into Google Drive. And as you can see, it's been uploaded and it's literally as easy as that. There is no additional steps needed. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.